Good afternoon. My name is Alex Brower. I'm with TrueDoor Property Management, and today I'm in Rancho Santa Margarita at this beautiful home for Serna. This property is going to be 4 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms. It has an office, a bonus room, and lots of living space. This beautiful little courtyard. Upon entering, you have a living space right here. Beautiful moldings, window casings, hardwood and tile. Also carpet upstairs in the bedrooms. This is your first half bath upon entry. And there's a closet, little coat closet. Here's a little formal dining area. The finishing work in this property is beautiful. Go into the kitchen. Very large, bright, lots of natural lighting. Off the kitchen, we have our family room. It has a fireplace and a built-in entertainment center. All the windows do have blinds that roll down. You can roll them up. I rolled them up so we can get all the natural light in the photos, but you can also bring them down too. Before we head anywhere else, I am going to take you outside. Beautifully landscaped backyard. Little fire pit. A gazebo, and a little rock fountain. Head back inside. Here is our office, built-in cabinetry, and it also has a full bathroom attached to it. We got our laundry room. It has a sink and lots of cabinet space. Go outside, we have a 2-car garage. Also with lots of storage, cupboards. There's a fridge outside, a little workbench. All right, now we can head upstairs. All 4 bedrooms are upstairs. We have a bonus room. Again, lots of big windows, so lots of natural light. This is your little loft or bonus room. It also has a built-in entertainment center. They have little blinds that you can put these down. We have our master suite. It's a huge room. And we got a large master closet. This property is also at the end of a cul-de-sac, so it's very desirable for kids. Nice quiet street. Right outside the master, there is a little closet. Linen closet. Got another bathroom, shower tub. This is our first bedroom. And then the next two have a Jack and Jill, so a bathroom in between. This property also is part of a community, so it has a community pool, jacuzzi, clubhouse, lots of amenities to enjoy. And then our last room here. This room has a walk-in closet, so it's the biggest one. All right, again, this is for Serna in Rancho Santa Margarita. Beautiful property. If you're interested, please visit our website at www.truedoorpm.com. Go to our rental search, type in for Serna, and I'd love to help you get into this property. Thank you so much. Have a good day.